Hello, let me show you how you can fix this issue when you cannot receive notifications from your iPhone on your Redmi Watch 5 active. So first of all, you have to be sure that by opening the settings, you will go for apps. And now let's say that I'm not actually receiving notifications from YouTube Studio. So I have to tap on it and I have to be sure that I just turn on notifications for YouTube Studio. Take a look. All of these notifications that I want to receive. And also you will have to go to the Mi Fitness application, click on device, select notifications and calls, open app notifications, and now you have to be sure that you turn it on. Then you enable this one to wake the screen, disable this function to notify only when worn. So if you have tattoos right here, a lot of hairs for example, or when you don't have snug fit, then sometimes you will don't receive notifications. And also you have to be sure that you enable notifications manually from every application. Like for example, if you're missing some apps right here, then you will have to go right here and select other app. And that will be all.